Yeah, welcome. In today's business investment and policy podcast, we're going to be discussing something very important that I will want you to pay close attention, and this will help you gain massive value in your financial space. Now, what you need to know about the stock market in 2026 and the outperforming industries that will help you. Having seen what is going on in the stock market or in different industries in Nigeria, there's a lot of industrial shifts going on, right? And then you need to do what you need to plug in. Now, on Nairametrics, Nigeria stock market surged by 16.6% with February 2026 closing at 192,827 points, its strongest monthly performance since January 2024. Now, if we further move into that news, what are the reasons for this massive growth in January, February, and now we are in March, right? Sometimes ago I explained that if you want to invest in stock market, the best time to invest is from the November to March, because this is the period a lot of transactions is happening all around the globe. Now, what is the main reason for this? Now, for the Nigerian stock market shows that there are some industries that are doing well. Number one of this industry is the oil and gas industry. This led the move of growth in February. Now, the oil and gas industry, I'm going to be mentioning them. Of course, we have the Dangote refinery as one of the industry that performed well. I'm going to go deeper into that later. And then other industry that also performed well is Aradel, increased by 38.94%. And the other one is also Seplat, which was recently acquired by Tonelu, owning over majority shareholdings in this company. Now, the oil and gas industry is an industry that is what to do what? To review. If you want to preserve your wealth and you don't want your money to be in the bank, or you want to have what we call liquid investment, that different forms of investment. So investing in stock market is more like a liquid investment. But right now, there is a lot of growth happening right now. And then the industries that you should be looking out for, number one of them is the oil and gas industry. And the second industry that's actually pretty much doing well is the cement industry, which is Dangote Cement, Lafarge Cement, and Bora Cement. Now, Lafarge increased by 27.39%, and Dangote increased by 22.67%. See that massive percentage increase. If you invest a million, 22.68 increase means you're going to be making over 202,000 naira on your investment. Do you get it? And for Bora Cement is like 19.69. You see the cement industry shows growth, shows that the real estate industry is an industry that would never go down. So oil and gas leading the cement industry. Other sectors that we're talking about is sector relating to industrial goods, like what is it called? Like the paints. Example of the company that did well in this industry is Beggar Paint, increasing by 23.3%. So you want to get details of all these analysis is going to be presented to you in the description button. There's a link and you can get more access of it. Now, Beggar Paint did well, Better Glass did well, increasing by 18.69%. Now, these are industries that are categorized as a goods, industrial goods sector. Get it? And other industries that is also showing growth in the Nigerian stock market is the banking industry, right? So, the Nigerian banking sector was the third best performing, rising at 16.67 to close at 1,892 points, with over 7.6 billion shares trading. In 2026, a number of people are investing in the stock market. So, take for instance, you just got your pay or you have a spare cash. You can divide it. Okay, this goes to savings, this goes into stock market. Start with it. You may not need to commence with 100 million or 15 million but own shares. Now, in this podcast, there was one of the podcasts that I explained that one of the best shares to own is equity shares, and not only publicly traded equity shares, but also private equity shares. Leave it is that. Take for instance the Dangote refinery, which are also going into. Dangote refinery in 2025 had a profit after tax of 1 trillion. In 2024 had a profit after tax of 500 and something billion. Now that's to show it to you that in 2026, the profit after tax may be going towards, let's say, 3 billion to 5 billion. Because when you have much money at your disposal, you're able to make more money with it. The more money you have, the easier it is to make double or times 3 compared to the previous year. So why is it good for you to start thinking about owning shares, either owning equity, private equity, or public equity? Now, what is private equity? Take for instance the Dangote refinery. Before, we already have news that in the next 3 months it's going to be quoted and the Nigerian Stock Exchange, and that means it's going to go public. You see, the people that have already invested in Dangote before it even get to a profitability stage, those are the people that will make more money when it goes public. So some people, take for instance, I heard that the African Bank invested, or some other bank invested, whether through equity or through loan, as several friends invested in the Dangote refinery. Now they are going to be owning some equity stake, maybe 10% or 20% of the company, and Dangote Group owning 80% of the company as an instance. Now, when Dangote's refinery goes public, those people that has pre-owned the 20% equity stake, maybe they bought it at the rate of 1 billion or 1 trillion for the 20% as an instance. By the time the Dangote refinery goes public, that 20% will no longer be valued at 1 trillion naira. They buy it as an instance. It may be valued at maybe 5 to 10 trillion. Go check every company that has gone, especially Dangote companies that has gone public over the period of 5 to 10 years. The rate, the market cap always increase over time. So the current market cap of Dangote refinery will be lesser compared to when it goes public. The market cap is going to increase, and that means more wealth for shareholders, whether equity or private equity. So if you are looking at companies to invest in, start thinking about equity investment, becoming of the ownership of the company, either before they go public or after they go public. But the sweetest way is for you to own a company before it goes public. And if you want to learn more information about owning a company before it goes public, you want to consider subscribing to this YouTube channel. We're talking about a lot of information. Also, we talk about we have a section where we call the Night Business School. Holds every Friday, teaches people about business investment, practical business investment, and money tools that would help one manage and multiply money. To learn more, you want to do what? Subscribe, click on the notification bell so you don't miss out on quality financial analysis when it comes out. Thank you so much. Don't forget to click this video to learn more about this analysis. Very, very strong one, which has to do with Dangote refinery itself and profit, earnings for the past 3 years. Get more analysis here. Thanks so much. Have a great day. Bye.